Today I am going to show you how to make Easter devil eggs chicks. Easter is coming and the staple food for Easter is eggs. I love eggs because they are very versatile and super delicious and totally keto compliant. This recipe will be super fun to make and it's very nutritious, so let's get started. Let me go over all the ingredients we need for the recipe. This is the plate where we put our chicks, so I already prepped a grass, which is lettuce. Then we have 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, Dijon mustard. We have mayo. I like this brand because it's keto compliant. I will post the link to the mayo below the video, and make sure when you are trying to get something from the store like mayo, read the labels, okay? The best ingredients for keto compliant mayo is avocado oil. We need, for garnish, we need capers and sliced carrot. Spices, just black pepper and salt, sea salt. And the main ingredients, eggs. Try to buy pasture-raised eggs. I recommend pasture-raised eggs because pasture-raised chicken produce healthiest eggs. Those eggs have more omega-3 fats, vitamin E and A and beta carotene. So if it's possible, try to buy pasture-raised eggs. Alright, so let me show you what tools do you need to make this chicks. I am using the jar for putting the fillings to make the job easier. We need a carving knife or just regular sharpened knife, and whisker, tweezer for making the eyes. And yeah, so let's get started. Let me show you how to make the very funny appetizer for Easter. First, I will start with slicing the thin layer of the base of these eggs to make sure they can stand on our platter. So now we are going to make chicks shell. I am going to use a carving knife, but if you don't have carving knife, you can use regular knife. You just need to cut the eggs going up and down in triangle motion all around the egg. Okay, so but I will use my carving tool. So all right. So now we are going to make filling. So I need to transfer, I need to pull out the egg yolks into a small bowl. Just try to, you need to be gentle. Okay, beautiful. Let me show you another one. All right. And we are popping out the egg yolks into bowl. You know, this will not going to be perfect, so don't worry. You should have a lot of fun, and it's nice to invite your children to make it with you, so they are going to have fun as well. At this moment, we can wash the eggs to make them look nice and clean and pat dry. I'm going to make the creamiest filling ever, but you can do any keto compliant filling you like. Now I am going to mash egg yolks with a fork. I am going to add mayo, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and mash again. We don't want our filling to be too runny, so will not go out from the shell. Look at the beautiful yellow color. And also sour cream. I will post the recipe below the video. Nice. A little bit of sea salt and black pepper. Now I am going to use a whisker for even creamier consistency. Beautiful yellow color and smooth consistency. Now I am going to use piping bag to fill out the eggs for the nice effect. Okay, perfect. So let me separate the top from the bottom. Alright, as you see, my eggs are not cut perfectly, but it is okay. So now we are filling our eggs. Okay. Okay. I am putting our top. Okay, so now let me show you how to make chicks mouth and feet. So let me show you how to set up the chicks. Using the tweezer, we are making eyes and the mouth and feet. Okay. So our first chick is ready. Alright, so this is pretty much it for this video, and one more thing I wanted to let you know. You can make this filling ahead and keep it in your refrigerator and fill in the shells right before serving. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, put thumbs up, and if you want to see more recipes, please check my channel. I have a lot of recipes already. So thank you so much for watching again. Happy Easter and see you in the next one. Bye bye.